Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's actually a page that is split into 4 sections, designed as a card basis, but also you can use them as cover for your notebooks, or if you do like mini journaling, or like if you want to do some tags or some very large tags. Completely up to you. Your choice is yours. Okay, so this page here has been designed taking inspiration from one of this month VIP lounge papers. Okay, I'm going to show you the papers for the month of October. Okay guys, so for the month of October, the main collection is called Captured in Autumn. It's a very large kit. It's got lots of backgrounds and ephemera. So you've got this page here full of like Polaroid and cameras. You've got some autumn leaves. I wanted to feel very autumnal, of course, ready for the season, but not too common with like sunflowers, etc. You've got a page full of tags, and each tag has got some embellishment. So you've got a vintage light, lovely butterfly, another vintage lamp, another butterfly, and then 2 more butterflies there. So love. You get another background. You can do anything that you want with these. You get a page full of embellishments. So what I did, I create some doilies. I can keep the same colors because all my papers mix and match. Okay, so if you do large projects, they all blend together. So you've got these lovely heart doilies with butterflies. Then you get a page with a scallop envelope and a pillow box, because you know my kits are always complete kits. You get gift boxes, you've got ephemera, envelope, etc. You've got a page with 4 envelopes, so you just need to fold there and you create your traditional envelopes. And then I thought to give you a background with 4 different backgrounds. This is better, amazing if you do card making, because you can just simply cut that and that is your card base, and then we do some embellishment. And I got some bits and pieces that I bought specifically for this project, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so but also you can use it like that if you do like a page, because you've got 2 different sections. It's completely up to you. Then you get a second kit. It's like a mini kit. Here there is, and it's called Spooky Tags. Okay, so you've got 2 pages. It's more for like Halloween. So you've got a witch, some potions, a lovely. Now this work great as tags, but also as a bookmark. So if you do craft fairs or anything, you can just simply cut maybe like on a purple cardstock or black cardstock and maybe like do some layering. And then a second page full of tags. So cute. I didn't overly decorate them because I want to give you something plain for you guys to maybe like put an initial for children. You know, if you do like a little sweets bags, it's completely up to you, but I think they're adorable. They're not your traditional Halloween colors, because I like the pink and the white, and of course you got your orange, but yeah. And then you also get a template gift box for you to make it up. So you get an assembly instruction page when I can see the front letter, the reverse letter, the back, and then all the little tabs to make it up. Okay, so you got them printed like that, and I'm gonna show you in just a second what it looks like when it's all done up. So you got the front R and the back raw and all the tabs. And on this page I gave you some ephemera, so you've got some circles, some little embellishment, some page flags. So yeah, you get a little bits and pieces as well, because I had quite like half of the page for empty, like for free, so I thought let's add some more. But yeah, this is what you need to make it, you know, all the letter up. Also, you get a private video, step by step, how to put the letter together. Okay, so it's very, very simple. Okay, and this is what the letter R looks like when it's all done up, and it stands perfectly straight. Okay, let me show you the entire complete alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, then I got letter O, P, Q, and R. Okay, the VIP members get this letter each month for free, but of course you can purchase all the alphabet actually from letter A to the letter M on my website as well. But again, one of the perks for my VIP lounge is that you get those letters for free, one a month. Okay guys, finally I got there eventually. I've been working for a few months behind the scene, but I'm finally so excited to share something new with you. Okay, these are my brand new bundled paper collections. These are carefully curated sets that are the perfect way to stock up on gorgeous designed by me, while staying budget friendly. Each bundle is packed with beautiful prints to spark your creativity, whether you're making cards, junk journal, or just taking some well-deserved time to relax with a craft project. Crafting for me isn't just a hobby, and of course it's not just a business either, but is a wonderful way to distress, okay, to boost your mood and give your mind a calming break up from the everyday rush and business. I work full-time, as you guys know. I have another job, and my day is very rush, very, very busy. That's why I wanted to group this paper together. I wanted to make it easier than ever for you to access inspiring papers at a very special price. Of course, these bundles are very, very cheap, and that is the reason why, guys, I wanted to give you the best quality with very, very affordable price. Okay, so if you go to my website, antoniomakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well, which is this one. But I wanted to show you. Let's click on this one, for example. So you see the page here, which is, of course, is the preview. But if you click on here, this little square with the play button, that's the video and shows you every single page. Okay, so you know what you are buying. Now, this specific bundle, it's got 100 pages. Yes, I'm not going mental. It's 100 pages, okay, for $9.99. And then the same, exactly the same approach I have used for my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Yes, so £2 a month. Or you can have one-off payment, which is £20 a year, when you get 2 months for free. Okay, so I've taken the decision to lower the price and give you an amazing value for a huge amount of creativity. Okay. Now that you saw my VIP papers and where to get them, now let me show you where to find all my freebies. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, that's it for today. So 2 ways as usual, the newsletter and my Facebook group, and also don't forget to join in. It's £2 a month, very cheap, super affordable. I want crafting to be for everybody, has to be for everybody. It's got to be accessible, and that's why I decided to massively decrease my prices. Okay guys, big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to download the freebie, and also if you join my newsletter, you will get it automatically every Friday, so you don't have to do anything. I'll do the job for you. Guys, have a wonderful weekend, whatever the plans are. My weekend is off, so I'm going to do lots of crafting. Have a wonderful day, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.